yeah. Uy, salamat na in taon ang duha wa day pingwita oy.
Hello?
There they are. Good morning. We'll go back to them. Go back to them. Oh wow. Look at this baby. Oh, they're getting big and bigger. Hala, it's 4 now. My God. Oh. Sorry, that's all. We have to save for the 2 places. Honey with sa honey because they are too beautiful. Oh my God, honey, want more honey? We have to find a place. Where is that place, hon, that they are selling cheap? Fish food. Hala, Daddy, we're gonna buy a fish food for you guys. Is the turtle can eat the fish food too? Oh, Han. I'm happy if you do that, Han. And you know what? God will pay you back. You know? Oh my God. 2. Allah, there's coming. Oh my God. I can tell. I can tell. Nobody feed you yet. Maybe this morning. Wala, look at guys. Oh, there's a lot of turtle na guys. And you know, this is my 1 year of feeding them. And now they are getting big na. 2, 4. How many? 3. Wow. There's one coming, Han. There's one coming. God, there's a baby. Hala. Oh, there's one coming. There? Oh my God, 10 turtles today. I think one of them tell them that go to that bridge because somebody feed us there. Guys, look at guys. Oh. Di mo malipay magtanawan na. Oh. Hindi ako malipay dyan. Oh. Hala, oh. Wala, nanaghan naman ni sila. Sa una, beforehand we start only 2 or 3, right? Oh my God, they are 10 na, oy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Woo. Daghan na kayo sila. Agoy, ka-sweet na sa akong mga baby. Ala, daghan na. Agoy, my God. There's one coming. Here. Yeah. Wow. The other one, bye-bye. The baby is full now. There's one baby coming from there, see? Yeah. I think they have a lot of babies, no? Oy! 4 turtles. 5!
6.
Oh my God! So meaning they are here in the morning. Wow, look at guys. We are early this morning, so there's 6 turtle waiting for us. If you kind of late, only these 2 big one will be waiting. This one. Yeah, that's their baby. Wow. 7 now? Wow, my God. 3, 4, 5. Ooh. Get it. Wow. Put that in your phone, honey. You have no handle on it.
There's 7 of them down there. Yeah.
Turtle will eat your iPhone 15. Oh wow, thank you.
Yeah, that drove fast. When we first started, we threw something down there, and them fish look like piranhas. They big on the top of the turtles and everything. Yeah, for real. Last year we had bass and catfish coming up. For real.
Last year 3 catfish, big catfish, right?
Yeah, big old blue cat.
Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Come on. Fight for it. Oh, it's only 2 today. 3 today. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. We have here in Tocasigny walking trail. We have 3 places, 3 favorite places for feeding them, and this is the best here because there's a lot of turtles here. Feeding again. I told you, I promise you, we'll be back today. Daddy buy a pack of bread for you guys. Oh wow, how many are they? Hala, there's smolder, honey. Wow. Wow. Allah. I see one got, honey, it's so clear. Allah, very nice. They're in one, you know, the 3 of them, each other. They bump each other. 4 turtles now. Where's the other one? Oh, yeah. Oh, there's 2. La. Oh my God. I did not see the catfish. Nice, right? Wow, they're very happy. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I was being nice.
Mm.
The people want me to leave the power on so they can change it.
They're there. Did you see the catfish, Han? Maybe they got it last night.
Oh, there.
Yeah. It's too big. Come on, baby. Video the boat. There's a boat. I wish this catfish will never be out in this river. Are you hungry? Wow, I thought you're not here, babies, because we're late. Sorry, Han, I cannot help you giving, okay? Because I want to capture them. Bye. Wow. Catfish is there? Yeah. Yeah, it's there. Wow, the catfish didn't go away in here. Now that he find a food in here. You see him? See, there's a catfish. I hope nobody will come and bring a pingwit. You know what's a pingwit, Han? Pingwit, mamingwit. They will get it. They will bring a hook. Fishing pool. That's a pingwit. Wow. Yeah, he's there. He's showing in the phone. Yeah, he's there playing with them. Hello, oy. How nice, oy. Ay, naay makaditik ani nga naay fish cat. Naay makaditik ani nga naay catfish diri ila na po ninimping biton. Sus Ginoo. Kalami unan ani oy. Han, you know, Han, if we get this, if we have this kind of fish, we will make on it. Cook it with, cook it with vinegar and garlic and soy sauce. My mother cooked like that so good. I don't know how. My mother do. Just so good. With when my mother make unan is so good because it's kind of, the fish will kind hard and then it's just good. She know how to do it. She cook it into the clay pot. Now we call it inununan, and then cook it with corn with the hands only, no utensils. Wow. Wow, wow, so good. Wow. I think he's full now, Messi. I will see. Yeah. Where are you at? Wow, they are getting plenty here and they are getting big. Wow. Did you see the catfish now? This is our second spot. Oh, babies. See something, honey? They are not a lot in here.
30 of them, but they're small.
Hello, hi Charlie, hi Rudy. The catfish? I didn't see it. I saw him.
2 of them.
Hala, 2 of them now. Wow, you know that you are the king and queen over there. Wow. Hala, they're getting plenty here, no? They're getting plenty here. Hala, oh, I don't want to see somebody fishing here. Wow. Because can you imagine? If they know that there's a catfish here, they will come here. They'll fish it. Nice here. Did not see my catfish yet. Lagi pingwit naman siguro. Ay. Allah, it's getting big. It's getting big, oh. Catfish, oh, it's getting big, oh. Ah. Wow. I only saw one, han. Gipingwit naman siguro usa eh. Kasugat may gahapog na aming witay sa kuha na siguro in town to eh. Tuoy po. Abi ko nagipingwit na mubi kay na ako'y nasugatan gahapon na mingwit diri be. Agoy. Ayaw gyud mo padakop biha. Og pingwiton mi be. Pingwiton kay mo be dagan din mo be. I told them that don't eat the fishing pool. Nga, dagko na biya kay mo bi, oh. Agoy, dagko na kayo ang catfish din ni, oh. They're fighting. Where's the other? Yeah, they're fighting. Why they're fighting?
Fighting over the bridge, I guess. I don't know.
Sometimes 10 o'clock they have 11 here. Maybe they are hungry again after you feed, you know. Allah, you eat cause later no more. Allah. Allah. Pag-abot na mo guys, nanay duha ka tao nga nag-feed nila. Nya sultian ta mo no kanang kining duha ka lalaki nga mag-una og feed nila. Mangaon ni sila dito nya dayon kanang mangaon sila sa restaurant nya. Kanang naamang kunoy daghang mga tao nga dili kahurot bitaw silang food nga mga bread niya ilang kanang kuhaon ni feeding. Wow, honey, oh, that's nice. No! I don't know what to do. If I drop this, Allah.